Kaya na naman. Vlog to na to. Oo, excited kayo? Kayo talaga. Tara na din. Wala nang chenes-chenes. Tara na. Hap, hap, hap. Before anything else and everything else, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Maricris Lihigan, your vlogger for today. So ngayon naman ay tatalakayin natin kung bakit nag-float ang mga bagay-bagay sa tubig. O di kaya nagsisink. Hala Mare, yan ba yung sinasabi nilang anamay? Oh my gosh girl, is that what they call magic? Girl, di ko na talaga alam eh. Curious ka rin ba? Curious ka rin ba tulad ko? Tara, alamin natin kung bakit nagpa-float o nagsisink ang mga bagay-bagay sa water. Samahan niyo ako! Let me introduce to you the materials needed for this activity. Food color. You may use any color that you like. Sugar. You may use brown or white sugar. A glass of water. 4 empty glasses for the solution. A mini tower glass. And of course, a dropper. You may use a spoon. And for the most awaited part of the experiment, we will now carry on with the procedures. First step. The sugar were put in separate containers with corresponding number of tablespoons. The first cup was filled with 2 tablespoons of sugar. The second cup was filled with 3 tablespoons of sugar. And the last cup was filled with 4 tablespoons of sugar. Each tablespoon of sugar is equivalent to 12.6 grams of sugar. Take note that you may use salt if you have no available sugar at home. Yes dear, you heard it just right. Pwede mo siyang ipalit sa salt. Being resourceful in life is good. Next up is the preparation of the solvent, which is the water. The cups should be aligned so that we can see the levels of water. The amount of water among the samples should be 177 ml per glass. 177 ml of water is equivalent to a 3/4 of the cup. Soon after, the sugar will now be infused in the water. The first cup will have no sugar. The second cup will contain 2 tablespoons of sugar. The third cup will contain 3 tablespoons of sugar. And the fourth cup will have 4 tablespoons of sugar. A continuous stirring of the sugar and water solution should be done to properly dissolve the solute in the solvent. Ayan. Tiyaga-tiyaga lang dear. Stir mong mabuti. Walang shortcuts. In life, there are no shortcuts. So we have to endure all the processes in life. After mixing the solution, we are now ready to add up different food colors. In our case, we used orange, violet, green, and red. You may use other colors in as much as you like. Here, you can see the solution with food color mixed in it. We are now ready to stock up the piles of water or the layers of water in the mini tower glass. In our case, we use a dropper so that we can pile up the water properly. If you are going to use a large container, you can use a spoon. In this part of the experiment, we want to make things slowly but surely. We don't want to end up mixing the piles of water with other water that has different colors in it. Next to the pile of water is the green solution, followed by the violet and the orange. When you feel exhausted, it is not bad to rest, but don't let this tiredness born a quitter. In fact, this should make you stronger. After piling up, we are now ready with our final product. The reason behind all of this is density. Yes girl, hindi and namay hindi rin magic. It's density. It is the reason why things float or sink in water. Density is the measure of mass per unit volume. Ito ay kung gaano kabigat ang isang bagay na nakasubmerge sa water. In our case, ang pinakamabigat na nakasubmerge sa water ay yung merong 4 tablespoons of sugar. If an object that is submerged in the solvent is compact and heavy, it has high density. One factor that can be attributed to this piling up of water is the capillary action, where water goes up the surface, thanks to the cohesion forces that is happening within the water molecule. And those factors pretty summed up everything that has happened in our experiment. Hindi siya anamay at hindi rin magic. Lahat ay may scientific basis. Ang sensya ang siyang maglilid sa atin sa katotohanan. So ayun nga, no? This is Mary Chris Liquigan, and Mary Chris Liquigan reminds you to stay curious.